think that's big enough for a house right there, Monica. Let me go to the top and let you see what it looked like from the back side. It's amazing what you can do with a mulching blade on a lawnmower and a weed eater. Only thing left to do now is head to the lake.